Math standard 8.G.A.1. Rectangle ABCD is rotated by 90 degrees clockwise about the origin and then translated 3 units left and 2 units down to form A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So our pre-image is here on the second quadrant, rectangle ABCD. So the question here is, what is the length in units of line segment A prime, B prime in the resulting figure? So the geometric transformations that we need to apply here are the rotation and translation. Now for these two geometric transformation, we are simply rotating the image and sliding or changing the location of the image, but we are not changing the size of the image. In the geometric transformations, the only transformation that can change the size of the image is the dilation. So here we will keep the size of this rectangle. So how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after rotation, that segment AB is still 5. After translation, that segment AB is still equal to 5. So the answer here is 5 units.